What's up, guys? A short update on the price of Bitcoin. Sorry, I didn't make a video in the beginning of the week, but today is more important. The reason is we finally had this capitulation period. We dropped not only below 84,000, but even below 74. I would say that I didn't expect that. I thought that it could happen, but very unlikely. But as you see, we dropped down to $60,000. But there's a ton of kind of signatures for the fact that it is very likely that it's end of this correction. It's only correction. It's not the end of the bull market. We will not go like that. It's also still possible, but just the probability of that is relatively low. So we have the support here. That's one thing. We had the fully worked bearish flag played out. We had a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the 61.8 level, which is very important. We had some other factors like the head and shoulders targeted partially hit. We have indicators very low at the oversold condition to this like a state which is like very extreme. So from there the drop is really hard. We have the Bollinger Bands being at the, like if you look at the weekly time frame, this is even more pronounced and it's a stronger signal. So we're closing below the lower band, which is also very critical. We have a fear and greed index, which is 9. Historically, playing out really well, that is just the end of the drop, end of the correction. So all the altcoins dropped a lot and now recovering. Short term, you would see that there is a very clear, at least the setup for the correction. After the acceleration of the drop, we see that kind of a pattern for return for recovery. If we look at the volume, there's finally huge volume which was released during these drops, during this decline, which means that pretty much we have all the potential factors for the correction to be over matched together. So there's no guarantees here, of course, and it's tightly connected to S&P 500, which also dropped quite a lot, and maybe it will continue to fall. Then probably Bitcoin will go even lower. We have the precious metals having other hit and probably will go low even more. So all that tied together, and also we have the outflows from ETFs and some other conspiracy against some investors in Bitcoin infrastructure and like companies, which is in a list of not so good citizens, Epstein and so on. So there are many things which merged together and matched at that point. But in my personal opinion, again, that although that was unlikely, it means that what it happens, it means that it's not first it happened. Second, it's probably will increase the chance for the price return to the mean average, which is higher than 60,000. I would tell you that. So I bought Bitcoin in Ether at this price, as I told you that I will do if this happens. Spot. I would like to get the futures position, but it's a little hard to get it. So that's my stance. Again, not a financial advice, not investment advice, just my personal opinion. But I think that this is very good. It's 50% drop. It's the like a Black Friday sell-off. Why not? Why not to use it? I will. Again, you don't. We shouldn't. You should never do this. Don't risk. But everybody chooses what to do, right? Thank you very much for watching. Let's meet again next week. We'll see what happens during this weekend, and I'm looking forward to get some green candles in the charts finally. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.